Isuzu Philippines Corporation has brought its interactive 4x4 public exhibition at the Festive Walk Mall at the Iloilo Business Park in Mandurriao, Iloilo City last September 21 to 23. The highlight of the weekend remained to be the 4x4 Xtreme Xperience Action Ramp, wherein brave volunteers and passengers experience riding a 4x4 3.0-liter Isuzu D-Max up and down a two-story-high steep, narrow metal ramp. The Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience, which opened to the public at 12 noon until 10 in the evening, has been expanded to include more fun and engaging activities for all members of the family, such as the 12-station consumer journey. Special activities during the Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience Iloilo City leg include a dance competition, performances by Isuzu brand ambassadors, actress and singer Maja Salvador during the opening on September 21, and rapper Gloc 9 to close out the Xtreme Xperience on the last night of September 23.
The Isuzu 4x4 Xtreme Xperience has been expanded to include more fun and engaging activities for all members of the family, and Isuzu enthusiasts also have a chance to view the accessorized version of Isuzu D-Max and Mu-X, and to the test drive the Mu-X powered by the RD4E engine. We would like to invite all of our televiewers to visit any of our Isuzu dealership in the nationwide and book a test drive to experience the class-leading future of the Isuzu Mu-X and D-Max. Thank you very much.